Hello friend, now I would like to define an antenna. Antenna is a transducer that convert electromagnetic energy into electrical energy, that is in the form of current and voltage, and electrical energy into electromagnetic energy. So the basic antenna is the dipole antenna, and in a dipole antenna there are two poles. So now we can write here. So these are the terminal of dipole antenna. So why it is called dipole? So in a dipole, so one terminal is a positive terminal. So this is the positive terminal, and this is negative terminal. So this is the charge distribution of the antenna, and this antenna is connected to transmission line. So this is transmission line, and a source is connected to the other end of the transmission line. So actually there are three parts. So this is the source part, this is transmission line, transmission line, and this is the antenna part. And the current distribution of the antenna is like that. The current distribution of antenna is like that, and the gap is very minimum. So for a time being, suppose that the current is following in this direction, this is negative part, and again the current is following in the upper direction in this part. So we can assume that the current is following in one direction, so from bottom to top. So this is the current distribution, that is magnitude of a current is a maximum at that point and the minimum at the tips. So how an antenna generate electromagnetic wave? So now we can easily see that this is the electric field. The electric field is from positive to negative. So this is electric field, and after time period t, this part become positive and this part becomes negative. So that is, this is the line of field line, and it form a closed loop. So after that again it become positive and again become negative. So this is the electric field, and the variation of electric field generate magnetic field, and it is also time domain. So this is the variation of electric field, and it propagate the electromagnetic wave in this way. Now mathematically we can show. So first of all, the vector magnetic potential, this is a term, this is del cross A. A means vector magnetic potential is equal to magnetic flux density B. And once we have magnetic field, that is B is equal to mu H. del cross A. So this is the this expression show the relation between vector magnetic potential and H field, that means magnetic field. So the basic parameter of electromagnetic radiation is A, that is vector magnetic potential. That means when A is time varying, H is also time varying. And when we have the H field time varying, then there will be a E field. That means the another Maxwell equation is del cross H is equal to del D by del T in a free space when there is no free charge. So this is equal to epsilon del E by del T. So this is the relation between H and time varying E field. And another Maxwell equation is del cross E is equal to dB by dt. And again we can write in the form of H minus mu del H del T. So once we have the value of A, we can easily calculate B, and if we have the value of B, we can easily calculate H, and if we have the value of H, we can easily calculate E from this equation. So actually we start from A, and at the last we have the value of E. So this is the sequence of an expression that an antenna radiates electromagnetic energy. Thank you.